Do you ever feel like your car's audio system doesn't do justice to your favorite songs? Upgrading with a high-quality amplifier can make all the difference, transforming weak and tinny sound into something you can feel as well as hear. It's a common frustration for drivers when the built-in sound system falls short, making every road trip less enjoyable. However, before buying the best amplifiers for cars you should consider these key features. Factors to consider. 1. Power output. 2. Channel configuration. 3. Impedance. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 amplifiers for cars currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Boss Audio Systems. Boss R1100M amplifier is one of the perfect choices for car audio lovers seeking rich, deep bass. This Class AB monoblock amplifier is designed to deliver an impressive maximum power output of 1100 watts at 2 ohms and 550 watts at 4 ohms, making it ideal for driving subwoofers with ease. Its MOSFET power supply ensures precise control over both voltage and current, providing clear and distortion-free audio, even at elevated volume levels. The R1100M delivers customizable bass output through an effective variable low-pass crossover. This feature allows users to determine specific frequency ranges for their subwoofer, ensuring that the bass complements the overall audio quality. Additionally, the amplifier includes a switchable bass boost, providing users the opportunity to increase low-end response tailored to their musical preferences. With a powerful output, this amplifier excels in delivering dynamic sound. However, its performance requires careful handling and installation to prevent overheating, particularly during intense use. Ensuring proper ventilation is essential for maintaining its efficiency and longevity. Professional installation is ideal for optimizing its capabilities. The R1100M is known for its impressive power and ability to provide a captivating sound experience that enhances every ride. At number 2, Planet Audio AC 1500.1M Car Amplifier. The Planet Audio AC 1500.1M car amplifier provides robust bass performance, with the ability to output up to 1500 watts at 2 ohms. Engineered with Class AB topology, it maximizes sound quality and efficiency, ensuring that your music sounds clear and dynamic even at high volumes. This amplifier is the perfect choice for any car audio enthusiast aiming to make a significant impact on their listening experience. This amplifier is not just about power, it offers excellent control over sound customization. Features like the variable low-pass crossover and variable bass boost allow users to tailor the audio experience to their preferences, ensuring the bass sounds just right. Additionally, the MOSFET power supply enhances the consistency of performance, making it a reliable choice for daily use. The AC 1500.1M is designed to fit in various car setups without taking up excessive space. Its ability to produce clear, powerful sound without distortion at high volumes is a significant plus, though users should ensure it is well ventilated to avoid overheating. The installation process is straightforward, making it accessible even for those new to car audio enhancements. At number 3, Rockville DB14 Amplifier Car Audio. The Rockville DB14 is a high-performance car amplifier that promises to revolutionize your audio experience with its substantial power output and efficient operation. This monoblock amplifier delivers a peak power of 4000 watts at 2 ohms and 2400 watts at 4 ohms, making it capable of handling even the most demanding subwoofers with ease. Its Class D technology ensures maximum efficiency while maintaining a compact footprint, ideal for installation in various vehicles. Featuring an optical coupler Class D technology, the DB14 stands out for its high-speed MOSFET power supply and fully adjustable 12 dB/octave crossover with differential circuitry. These features provide users with precise control over the sound, allowing for optimal tuning of frequencies to match specific music tastes and acoustics of the vehicle. The inclusion of a subsonic filter and a phase control switch further enhances the ability to customize the audio output. The DB14 amplifier is designed to deliver exceptional power while incorporating a full suite of IC-controlled protection circuitry for enhanced safety. This advanced technology monitors performance and protects the amp from potential damage, ensuring consistent and reliable operation in even the most challenging environments. However, due to its high output capabilities, it's imperative to install the amplifier correctly and provide adequate airflow. Proper ventilation will not only mitigate the risk of overheating but also contribute to the amplifier's longevity and sustained performance. Now number 4. Pile Car Stereo Amplifier. The Pile Car Stereo Amplifier is for those looking to upgrade their car's audio system. With a peak power of 1,400 watts, this dual-channel amplifier is designed to give your sound system a significant boost. Whether you're powering subwoofers or mid-range speakers, this amplifier provides enough versatility to handle a variety of setups. Its compact design also makes installation relatively easy, especially in tight spaces. The amplifier features gold-plated RCA ports, which help reduce signal loss, ensuring a cleaner and crisper sound output. With a MOSFET power supply and anti-thump turn-on, the amplifier delivers distortion-free audio, even at higher volumes. The built-in protection against thermal overload, short circuits, and overheating ensures that your system remains safe and reliable during extended use. While the amplifier boasts impressive power output at an affordable price, overheating can occur when it is pushed to its limits. This overheating may result in temporary shutdowns, disrupting the listening experience during extended sessions. Although it serves as an excellent choice for casual listeners seeking a budget-friendly upgrade, it may not satisfy the requirements of serious audiophiles who seek high performance and durability in their audio gear. For those who expect superior audio quality, exploring higher-end models might be essential to achieve consistent performance without overheating. Now our last product is Scar Audio SKV2 Car Amplifier. The Scar Audio SKV2 Car Amplifier is a Class D monoblock MOSFET amplifier built for high power output. Boasting an impressive 2,200 watts at 1 ohm, it's designed for audiophiles who demand superior sound quality. With a focus on low-frequency response, this amplifier is perfect for powering subwoofers, delivering exceptional clarity and performance in every note. Featuring an advanced heatsink design, the SKV2 1500.1D is built to sustain prolonged operation without overheating, ensuring reliability during intense audio sessions. This model also comes equipped with user-adjustable controls, including a low-pass filter and subsonic filter, which allow for precise sound customization. Additionally, the amplifier includes a remote subwoofer level control, providing convenience and flexibility by allowing adjustments right from the driver's seat. While the SKV2 offers unparalleled power and control, its sophisticated setup may require more advanced installation knowledge. It is important for users to ensure that their vehicle's electrical system can accommodate the high power demand of the amplifier. Moreover, given its high output capabilities, it is best paired with subwoofers that can handle significant power without risk of damage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.